myself and just say hello. Happy Wednesday. And guess where we are? I want to show you here. Take a look, okay? I'm going to
do a little Vanna show.
Yeah.
We're in the Canadian warehouse. Woo-hoo-hoo.
So anyways, we're in the Canadian warehouse. And I got to tell you, the sale's been amazing. And we're just letting you know that the spring into summer sale is going to be over on Friday. So if you want to check it out, go to docofdetox.com or store docofdetox.com. And anyways, I'm leaving here, and believe it or not, I'm going to be sitting down with government agency, government agents, secret agents, I don't know. Anyways, in Puerto Rico, and we're going to be talking about whether or not we can get into a relationship where we actually are going to build a clinic over in Puerto Rico, and we're going to get some land, and we're going to come together with Jim Gale, Land of Plenty, and we're actually going to build a university there where we're going to teach people how to grow their own food. We're going to teach people how to grow their brain, expand their consciousness. If you want to go to braveheartnation.com, you can see the different courses we offer. We actually offer courses right from pelvic restoration, which is a 3-day masterclass, all the way to getting your doctorate in natural medicine and indigenous medicine. I know that's a hard pill to swallow, but the reality is guess what? We were here way before the medical system was here. We are not the alternative. We will be the go-to as soon as everybody wakes up and you realize that you need to get into eating a high vibrational, drinking a high vibrational, thinking a high vibrational lifestyle. And remember something, your thoughts create everything, don't they, Sandra?
Oh, they create your reality from the psychological to the physical.
And you know that very well, don't you?
Yes.
Because your life has been a tumble-turby thing, hasn't it?
Yep, it's been 13 years of shift work and getting off of that and getting good nutrients in, getting good products in that's going to assist my body in detoxing and helping lower that detox load. So my life's turned around, and I'm here to call out to all those average saying, shake it off. We need to rise. We've got courses from everywhere, pelvic, all the way up to the doctorate. So we've got something for everybody.
And whether you believe it or not, it doesn't matter where you came from. Like somebody said to me today, I did an interview, for a magazine. It was actually an entrepreneurial magazine. And they said, well, who can come and take your course? And I said, well, who can come and take my course? Let's put it this way. You could have failed out of high school. And if you come in with passion and purpose, and this is what you want to do, you can take this all the way through and become a doctorate of natural medicine, or just come and learn the non-surgical and be the best body worker. The best body worker, where you're actually giving a money-back guarantee to your clients, your patients, not telling them they have to come back and see you every week for the rest of their life. Now, that's not too successful, I don't think. Or you could become a whole life coach certified, and you could do nutritional, emotional coaching, and even build exercise programs. But what you could do is you could learn the art of messaging from the body and be able to know exactly what's going on with people instead of pretending. Because guess what? Don't get me wrong, but the medical system are a bunch of pretenders. They don't know what that the body messages are, the body crying out, saying, "Can you not just love me?" And every symptom is letting you know that something else is coming, because there are no diseases. There's just messages from the body that turn into symptoms that then get called into diseases. And that's because guess what? You're not going to the right care provider. And I'm telling you, I'm not trying to pick on anyone, but guess what? When you have dysfunctional beliefs about healing, then nobody's going to get healed. You didn't notice it? Take a look at the shape people are in. Take a look at the way they walk, the way they talk, and take a look at how much suffering is in the world. Do we really have to have that? And if God created us to create, then why aren't we just creating the best life ever? Anyways.
Emotional intelligence for permanent health and healing. You got to chase it out. You got to find it. And we're the place to find it.
Yeah, we are actually. We give a money-back guarantee on our treatments, on our courses, on our trainings, and there's a reason for that. Because 1 and 1 or 2, they were never 11. Yeah. Again, if you'd like to check out our sale, you've got 2 days. All right. And tomorrow I fly to Puerto Rico. So I'll see you tomorrow in the airport where I'll do some one a day. I don't know what it'll be, but it'll be some kind of one a day. And have the best day of your life. God bless everyone. Bye
Bye-bye.
now.